Last warning. You need to disappear.
No.
Now.
You really expect me to roll over and play dead?
Well, you should be used to it after 5 years of marriage.
6. And I'm not leaving.
E-sector clear.
Uh-huh. Anywhere, anytime.
Intruder detected.
Evacuate Plan C.
Chicken shit!
Pussy!
You tell me that you had a shot at her and you didn't take it? Trying to say to you, John, is we got all this stuff here, and you're sitting here trying to tell me you couldn't take her out? Well, now she's a problem for both of us. Now my house is priority 1.
Just give me a hand, will you?
Please, you're driving me crazy with the tongs in the furnace. You're like an insane man. All right, they gave you 48 hours. What do we got left here? 23? 22?
18 and change.
You got 18 hours until they close the book on both of you?
Eddie!
Mom! We're on high alert here! I almost killed you right then! You do not even realize!
Never mind.
I am so done playing games with this broad. You gotta take this bitch out head on.
Don't tell me how to handle my wife.
This broad is not your wife. She's the enemy, and she could be outside right now!
Eddie. Got it.
Now we're talking. Only question is how much is it to buy a vow?
Blackwell Realty.
Yes, hi, I'm calling from I-10.
Oh, great. How's that new penthouse working out?
Well, just fine. Thank you for asking.
This is security. There seems to be a problem with your elevator, sir. Do you want an engineer to come up and see what the problem is?
Take your time. I'm really quite comfortable.
And are you really comfortable?
Jane? Is that you, sweetheart?
First and last warning, John. Get out of town.
You know I'm not going anywhere.
Oh, well, so you say. But right now, you're trapped in a steel box hanging 70 floors over nothing but air.
Oh, so this is a trap.
He's in car 3.
It's never gonna work, honey. It's never gonna work because you constantly underestimate me.
Do I?
You have no idea who I am. You have no idea what I'm capable of.
Well, back at you, baby.
Let me guess. Shape charge on the counterbalance cable, 2 more on the primary and secondary brakes. Maybe?
He found them. Yes, thank you. Did you also get the base charge of the principal cable? Promise to leave town, or I'll blow it.
Okay. I give up. blow it.
What?
Go on, blow it.
You think I won't?
I think you won't.
Okay. 5, 4. Any last words?
The new curtains are hideous.
Goodbye, John. What the hell was that?
What?
You said goodbye.
Parking still?
Jay.
Madame, thought of a number of lines for this moment. Thought I'd just drop in. Hey, doll, thanks for giving me the shaft.
Nice. So what did you decide?
I want a divorce.
I like it. You proposed to me here, so it has agreeable symmetry.
Cool, sir. That's it.
No.
Champagne, sir?
No champagnes for celebrating. I'll have a martini.
I'm fine. So what do you want, Tom?
We have an unusual problem, Jane.